Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my October 2020 Sugar Muses box. This is the Deluxe Muse box, and I'm super excited to open it. Shadow Magic, Samhain. I'm going to look at that last. Samhain. Which bottle? Ooh, I'm intrigued. I love this. I always love it. This is a different feel, though. This one doesn't feel quite as nice as others, but it's still nice. She looks like Helena Bonham Carter. I'm not sure what deck this is, but it looks like my number is 23. I don't know. I'll have to look it up because I'm not sure what that means. She's got blood on her and she's crying, so I'm not sure if it's a good one. Very nice corset, but I'm not, I don't know. I'm not getting anything intuitively from it. So a beautiful card. Oh my god, so beautiful. I love it. 1,000 days of peace and love, most divine heart, inflame mine own with thou purest love with which thou burnest. Glory aux sacred sur de Jesus et de Mary. Oh, nice. I don't read French, but it sounds like this is Jesus' Sacred Heart, which I absolutely love. I have a picture right there. You probably can't see it, but when I show you guys my ofrenda with its Halloween update, or Samhain, or, oh my god, Dia de Muertos. It's been a long day. Dia de Muertos update. You can see my beautiful, beautiful Sacred Heart Jesus. Let's see here. Everything looks just beautiful and divine. Witch bottle herbs. Yum yum. I'm going to go ahead and move this back just a little smidge so I can have all these items here. I see a beautiful calavera. This feels like maybe obsidian. Ooh, sorry, I'm clumsy. This looks like a beautiful bag of goodies. I love these bags. She periodically has them, and I keep them like in my forest bag and take them with me into the forest and charge them up with all the good energy. Love it. Samhain candle. Absolutely adorbs. And the smell is yum, yum, yum. Witchy woman. That's pretty cool. Let me smell it. It's mild, but I think I like it. Ooh, we got a bottle. So pretty. So pretty. Love it. We've got our tea. Apple cinnamon. And a tea bag. Ooh. Oops. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. We've got incense. I'm still filming, baby. Of Blood and Bones, working with shadow magic and the dark moon. I literally looked at this the last time I went to Barnes and Nobles, and I thought about getting it, and I didn't, and I'm glad that I didn't because now I have it. I'm so excited. Technically, it's the dark moon tonight, and I would normally love to have a bath, but I have a situation, so it's not a good time for that right now, but next time. All right, Shadow Magic Samhain. The season steals in stealthily and lands fast. The shadows lengthen, beckoning us to come closer as the leaves turn to rust and gold. Samhain is upon us, a time when we can explore the mysteries during the darkest of nights, light a flame to summon our ancestors, and to part the veil between the worlds. October is ushered in with a celebration and imbued with potent magic. There's all sorts of good information here. But I want to talk... Ooh, okay. Ooh! This is a eucalyptus and spearmint bath bomb. Nice! And this would be perfect for the dark moon usually, because I like to have like dark bath salts for that. For that exact reason she's talking about, absorbing toxic energies, and then, you know, pulls it out of me, and then when I wash it down the drain, it's gone spiritually. So that's really cool. I love that. Ginger incense stick. Nice. Witchy Woman ritual oil. So this one, with notes of burning wood, crisp fall foliage, and vanilla, this magical oil blend contains a proprietary fragrance including essential oils and an almond oil base. Cool. Samhain candle with a match from the Matchbox. Beautiful. I love everything in this box. Let me just say that right now. Everything is totally just my aesthetic. Very nice items that I love and use. So definitely loving this. Dried dandelion, bay, cloves, frankincense, and clove and frankincense essential oils. A witch bottle art plant. Okay. A glass witch bottle. Love it. It's up to you what ingredients. You can start with salt for protection, cleansing, and purification. Add pins, nails, or thorns, which are said to ward off anyone from disturbing the bottle. To drown a curse, include some red wine or vinegar, and then add the witch bottle herbs. Very cool. Black obsidian gemstone. And Samhain potpourri offering in the black organza bag. It's lightly scented with apple, pumpkin, citrus, clove, and nutmeg. When the scent fades, it can be refreshed with a few drops of your favorite oil. I love this kind of stuff. I keep these forever. Apple cinnamon tea. Of blood and bones. Canyon! My son is being a hellion. You better cut it out or I'll get your dad. I'm telling you what. This best-selling book offers ideas for shadow season spells and rituals, vegan substitutes, and dark moon divination. I love it. Very cool. I'm really excited about this. So the intuitively drawn tarot card is from Victoria Francis. Wait. Victoria Francis. I'll have to look into that. I haven't heard of it. Love it. This is a great box. And I am really excited. I love everything. I was looking at this book. I absolutely love this. And I love this. And I'm excited about this and this and this and this and this. This smells good. I'm not a big tea drinker, but apple cinnamon's, you know, pretty good tea. So super excited. This again is the SugarMuses October 2020 Deluxe Muse box. And I totally love it. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I highly recommend this box to you. I've been getting it for over 2 years and I love it very much. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.